Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A major advancement in the luxury recreational vehicle market, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo Luxury Motorhome combines Mercedes-Benz legendary mechanical skill and luxurious design philosophy with a sturdy and independent living space. It is anticipated that this vehicle, which was originally titled Armadillo, to convey a sense of protected luxury and robustness, will set a new standard for discriminating tourists looking for unmatched comfort and capability in their mobile homes. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo Luxury Motorhome is expected to have an elegant outward appearance that serves a practical purpose. The car will probably have integrated lighting systems that use cutting-edge LED technology, sleek, aerodynamic lines, and a sophisticated color scheme that emphasizes subtle beauty, all of which are influenced by Mercedes-Benz modern design language. The name Armadillo implies a sturdy exterior, possibly with reinforced structures and cutting-edge composite materials to provide longevity and occupants a sense of security. Its usefulness for long trips will be further increased by the thoughtful addition of exterior luxuries like electronically deployable awnings, hidden utility connections, and large, well-organized storage compartments. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo Luxury Motorhome's interior will best showcase the brand's dedication to luxury. The living areas will radiate an aura of elegant comfort through the use of high-end materials including exquisite leathers, exotic hardwoods, and well-wrought metal accents. It is anticipated that the concept will be thoughtfully planned to optimize both space and utility, possibly combining cutting-edge modular furniture systems and flexible living spaces. Gourmet chefs will be served in a fully furnished gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances and lots of storage options. With soft bedding and built-in entertainment systems, the sleeping quarters should provide a calm and secluded haven. With premium fixtures and finishes, the bathroom amenities will be on par with those found in a luxury apartment. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo Luxury Motorhome is expected to lead the way in technological advancements. Controlling lighting, climate, entertainment, and security features will be easy with the integration of cutting-edge smart home technology. Modern infotainment systems will include entertainment, connectivity, and navigation. They will probably have big, high-resolution screens and user-friendly interfaces. To guarantee a safe and stress-free driving experience, driver assistance technologies will be fully integrated, relying on Mercedes-Benz well-established expertise in automobile safety. In order to encourage self-sufficiency and off-grid capabilities, the motorhome is also anticipated to have sophisticated power management technologies, such as large battery capacity, solar panel integration, and economical energy usage. Reliability and performance are guaranteed by the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo Luxury Motorhome's powertrain, which is probably built on a strong and effective Mercedes-Benz commercial vehicle chassis. Power and fuel economy will be balanced by advanced diesel engine technology, which may include hybrid components. Even on difficult road surfaces, the suspension system will be designed to provide a comfortable and seamless ride. In keeping with Mercedes-Benz history, the overall driving dynamics will be meticulously adjusted to deliver a smooth and assured experience. To sum up, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo Luxury Motorhome offers an intriguing outlook on the direction of upscale leisure travel. This vehicle is positioned to satisfy the most discriminating adventurers by skillfully fusing Mercedes-Benz renowned luxury and technological innovation with a sturdy and independent mobile living environment, providing an unmatched blend of comfort, capability, and distinction.